Ever wondered how depression takes control of your mind? Depression isn't just a feeling, it's a chemical imbalance in the brain. Let's dive into the science behind depression and how it affects the most complex organ in our body, the brain. Hey everyone, welcome back to Dr. Wright's channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating yet complex world of neuroscience. Specifically, we'll be exploring how depression, a silent force, can reshape the very organ that defines our experiences, the brain. Before we unravel the effects of depression, let's first understand the basics. Our brain is a marvel of nature, composed of billions of neurons communicating through intricate networks. The intricacies of this neural dance determine our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Picture the brain as a symphony, with each neuron playing a unique note, creating the harmonious melody of our existence. Depression often involves a chemical imbalance in the brain. Neurotransmitters, the messengers between neurons, play a crucial role. In depression, there's often a disruption in the delicate dance of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Imagine neurotransmitters as messengers passing notes between neurons, ensuring seamless communication. When this exchange is disrupted, it's akin to a dissonant chord in our neural symphony. The resulting imbalance can lead to a cascade of effects, influencing mood, motivation, and overall mental well-being. Think of neurotransmitters as the conductors of our neural orchestra, directing the flow of information between brain cells. In depression, this coordination is disrupted, leading to a discordant melody of emotions. As we explore the impact of depression, it's crucial to grasp the concept of neuroplasticity. The brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself can be a double-edged sword. In depression, structural changes occur, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and even our perception of the world. Think of neuroplasticity as the brain's capacity to remodel itself. Just as a sculptor molds clay, our experiences shape the neural landscape. In depression, this sculpting takes a different form, impacting the connections between neurons and altering the terrain of our emotional landscape. Consider these structural changes as the evolving architecture of our mind. The brain, like a city skyline, transforms over time, reflecting the experiences etched into its neural pathways. Two key players affected by depression are the hippocampus and amygdala. The hippocampus, responsible for memory and emotions, can shrink, while the amygdala, linked to fear and stress responses, may become overactive. These changes contribute to the emotional roller coaster that individuals with depression often experience. Picture the hippocampus as the curator of our memories, and the amygdala as the emotional sentinel. In depression, the curator may struggle to preserve positive memories, while the sentinel becomes hypersensitive to negative emotions. This imbalance intensifies the emotional turmoil associated with depression. Consider the hippocampus and amygdala as the emotional architects of our brain, shaping the landscape of our feelings and memories. Beyond the intricate dance of neurotransmitters and structural changes, it's essential to explore the role of genetics and environmental factors in the development of depression. Our genes contribute to our susceptibility, while life experiences and environmental stressors can act as triggers. Picture our genetic code as the blueprint for our emotional architecture, and life experiences as the brushstrokes that shape the canvas. Imagine our genes as the composers of our emotional symphony, determining the predisposition to certain emotional states. Life experiences then act as the conductors, guiding the performance of this symphony. Recent research has uncovered a fascinating connection between the gut and the brain, known as the gut-brain axis. The gut, often referred to as our second brain, communicates with the central nervous system, influencing mood and emotions. In depression, disruptions in the gut microbiome can contribute to symptoms. Imagine the gut as a conductor influencing the symphony of our emotions, with each microbial player contributing to the overall harmony. Think of the gut-brain axis as the unseen conductor in our neural orchestra, orchestrating emotions from the depths of our digestive system. Depression doesn't only affect emotions, it can also have a profound impact on cognitive functions. From memory and attention to decision-making, individuals with depression may experience cognitive impairments. Picture cognitive functions as the various instruments in our neural orchestra, each playing a unique role in maintaining cognitive harmony. In depression, this harmony is disrupted, affecting the way we think and process information. Consider cognitive functions as the instrumentalists of our mental symphony, with depression introducing dissonance into their collective performance. Depression doesn't only affect emotions, it can also have a profound impact on cognitive functions. From memory and attention to decision-making, individuals with depression may experience cognitive impairments. Imagine the cognitive functions as interconnected melodies, with depression introducing discord into the seamless interplay between memory, attention, and decision-making. While understanding the science behind depression is crucial, it's equally important to break the stigma surrounding mental health. Seeking professional help, therapy, and support are pivotal steps toward managing and overcoming depression. Imagine mental health support as a bridge over the turbulent waters of depression. Seeking help is not a sign of weakness but a courageous step towards reclaiming control over your mental well-being. Therapy and support groups provide tools to navigate the complex currents of depression, fostering resilience and recovery. Now that we've explored the intricate ways depression impacts the brain, it's time to discuss treatment approaches and the glimmer of hope for those facing this silent force. Now that we've explored the intricate ways depression impacts the brain, it's time to discuss treatment approaches and the glimmer of hope for those facing this silent force. In our final segment, let's reflect on the importance of empathy and compassion in supporting those affected by depression. Understanding the science behind depression is not just about unraveling the mysteries of the brain but also fostering a compassionate society. Imagine a world where we approach mental health challenges with empathy, destigmatizing the experiences of those struggling. Let's carry the torch of awareness and compassion, working together to create a world where mental well-being is prioritized and celebrated. As we wrap up our exploration, let's remember that understanding depression is a step towards empathy. If you or someone you know is struggling, know that help is available, and healing is possible. Together, we can foster a society that values mental well-being. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness. Take care, and until next time.